Ken Birmingham here with my bees, drinking my bee bourbon. I'm gonna get more about this glass later. Let me just tell you, this bourbon tastes so much sweeter in it. Batch 4. Thank you, Mr. Denver, for making such a great glass so Kenny boy here can drink his bourbon out of it. Well worth the money, my friend. Well worth the money. All right, now we're about to be looking at the hive right here. There it is. Look at the honey. Oh, whoa, yes. Oh, delicious. Right there. Oh, right there, the honey. That looks delicious. They're probably gonna cap that off. My bourbon's gonna cap me off here. That's a little Birmingham. I tell you, the bees are tame. Just like this bourbon's taming my taste buds. As long as you calm, tame, cool, collective with the bees, they're gonna give you the respect if you show them respect. I always show my bees respect. Always take good care of them. You don't want to bother them too much. Get a little smoke going for the bees and a little sippies for the Birmingham. Delicious. Wella, special reserve Birmingham. Gotta stay calm for his bees out here. Staying calm. Well, we're gonna look at that honey before we go just one time, because good golly, that looks good. Look at that. Oh yes. Ooh, little pet of bees right there. They're good little bees. All right, Birmingham and little Birmingham. Glasses be falling. Bourbon be going down the hatchet hatch.